I fruit?
No.
Am I a vegetable?
No.
I have 4 legs.
Yes.
I'm a dog.
No.
I'm a tiger.
No.
You said I have 4 legs.
Yes, you have to wait.
Then I'm a monkey. I'm a bird.
Bird and no.
I live in the forest.
Not probably.
Then I'm a cat.
No, not cat.
Am I a dolphin?
Dolphin has 4 legs.
No.
No. Exactly.
I'm a kitten.
No, you're not cat and not kitten.
Then I'm a horse.
Yes! Give me 5.